Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you a simple way to earn here in Gamony. Simple, very simple, every day, every hour. Right? So guys, as you can see here I have $1. Okay, so and then to withdraw you will come here. As you can see down here, you click on it. Then you click either PayPal, either crypto. So you can come here, you choose. But for me I choose Litecoin. It depends on you if you want this one or this one. Me I take Litecoin. So here you have to put $2 because it is the minimum to withdraw, right? And as you can see in coin it will be 1998 coin. Okay, so now it will remain to take the address. Take the address, you go on your Binance. You can use any crypto wallet you want. Okay, you can use Binance crypto wallet, Trust Wallet. You can use OKX. Any crypto wallet you want, you can use it. So this is Binance. So what you have to do, wait. You come here on asset. Yes, you come on asset. You click on asset. Okay, then you come on add funds. And then click on chain, and then you come here, you search what you have chosen. If it is Litecoin, you choose Litecoin. If it is Doge, you choose Doge. If it is Bitcoin, you choose Bitcoin. And then okay, yes, then you come here, you click on Litecoin, you click OK, then you come here, you copy, and then you come here on address, and then you paste the code, then you get your found here, submit request. So me, I have $1, so I'm waiting for to reach another two, because when I reach $2 I withdraw. I don't take much time to, yes. So now, as you can see, so the way that I was showing you is that you come here, you see how it is. Okay, we are going to click here. Okay, and then you click on quiz. As you can see here on quiz, okay, they give you for today they give you 15 coin. It depends, every day they change, or every week. So you just have to come here, you click, yes, claim it. As you can see, I claimed, and then let me go back. It is simple like this. Yes, you see now guys, see up here. Yes, just like this, simple, every day, every hour. Then another way, come here, you click like this. Okay, it's not available, we have to wait after 2 hours. So You just work on this one, work on this and this every day after 2 hours, and then you will see your money here. Okay, so, and don't forget, if you are new, because I have made video to show you how you can 7 ways to earn money here. Go to check that video. Okay, don't forget to take my code in order for you to get the bonus. It is in the comments. Yes, you will get 50. Yes, you will get this one, 50 coin. Okay, so you can also withdraw on Trust Wallet. You can on your Trust Wallet. Also, you can withdraw through your Trust Wallet. Yes, on your Trust Wallet now, you have to come on receive. Let me put the code. Let me put the passcode. Okay, on Trust Wallet, you come on receive. You click on receive, and then you search here up. You search Litecoin. You click on it, and then you copy the code. Then you go to paste it on. Yes, you will come to paste it here on address here, like this. Here you choose Litecoin, and here you put $10 if you want, if any. Yes, so as you can see, this application is Gamony. I put my code on a comment for you to get the bonus. Okay, so don't forget to get the code. Yes, here it's Binance, here it's Trust Wallet. So those are crypto wallets you can withdraw money for it. Okay, and Gamony, it is found on Play Store. You download on Play Store, and then you put my code to get your bonus of 50 coin. And then you can also share your code to other people, so you will get the invitation bonus. So thank you guys.